If you're looking to use gamification in school, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will show you exactly how to implement gamification features to boost engagement and learning. But stick around, because I'll also reveal some alternatives you might want to consider for even better results. First up, let's talk about leaderboards. School's leaderboard feature is one of the simplest ways to introduce gamification. It encourages healthy competition among your community members. You can set up the leaderboard based on user activity, such as the number of posts or courses completed. This taps into the human desire to compete and be recognized. The more active users are, the more they'll climb the leaderboard, and you'll see a boost in participation. But of course, leaderboards only work well if the engagement rewards are meaningful. So, don't forget to pair this with some incentives to really make it work. Next, badges and achievements. School allows you to reward users with badges when they reach certain milestones. This could be after completing a course, participating in a discussion, or even helping others. Gamification thrives on the feeling of achievement, and these badges serve as a visual reminder of their success. However, while it's great for recognition, you want to ensure the achievements are challenging enough to maintain engagement without becoming frustrating or unattainable. Finding that balance can be tricky, but it's key to keeping users motivated. Now, let's look at progress tracking. Skool offers a way to track user progress visually, which is another powerful gamification tool. Users can see how far they've come in a course, how many tasks they've completed, and what's left to do. This is critical for keeping users on track and avoiding drop-offs. The downside? Sometimes, the progress tracking can be a bit too basic for larger, more complex learning paths. It doesn't have the same level of customization that some other tools might offer, which could limit your ability to fully gamify the experience for advanced users. The fourth thing to consider is point systems. Skool doesn't have an integrated point system for all types of engagement, but you can work around this by assigning points manually or using third-party integrations. Points are a great way to track user activity and create additional ways to earn rewards. But here's where it gets tricky. Without a native system, you'll need to do some extra work to keep it smooth and user-friendly. It can be a bit cumbersome compared to tools that have built-in, automated point systems. And finally, while Skool is fantastic for certain types of gamification, it's not the only option out there. If you're looking for something with a bit more depth in terms of customization, Teachable or Thinkific might be worth exploring. Both offer built-in gamification features like quizzes, certificates, and automated rewards, which can make your community even more interactive. They also allow for more advanced integrations, which could be useful if you have specific gamification goals in mind. That said, each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, and what works best for you will depend on your needs. To wrap up, while Skool offers basic but effective gamification tools like leaderboards and badges, it's not the most comprehensive solution if you're aiming for complex gamification. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the exclusive extended free trial through our link for Skool, but also explore other platforms like Teachable or Thinkific for more advanced gamification features that could be a better fit for your goals. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some awesome exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.